We have noted the decision taken by the Food and Drug Administration in the United States of America to advise the temporary suspension of the Johnson & Johnson rollout in the US. This has occurred due to reports of 6 females who developed unusual blood clots with low platelets. These incidents occurred between 6 and 13 days after the vaccination in women between the ages of 18 to 48 years old. It must be noted that over 6.6 million citizens have been inoculated with Johnson & Johnson vaccines in the US. In South Africa, we have not had any reports of clots that have formed after the vaccination, and this is after having vaccinated about 289,000 healthcare workers under the Sisonke protocol. Having said that, after this advisory came to my attention, I held urgent consultations with our scientists who have advised that we cannot take the decision made by the FDA lightly. Based on their advice, we have determined to voluntarily suspend our rollout until the causal relationship between the development of clots and the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is sufficiently interrogated. SAPRA will collate information from Johnson & Johnson, the FDA, and other regulatory bodies to make a thorough assessment of the situation and advise us as a regulatory body that has exercised its authoritative powers on the approval of the vaccine in their own right. I humbly call for calm and patience as we ensure that we continue to be properly guided by science in ensuring the safety of our people as we roll out the vaccine campaign. We hope that the deliberations will only take a few days. Given the preliminary literature on hand, our scientists are confident that the FDA decision is only a precautionary basis, and we expect that this will not result in the complete withdrawal of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine from the vaccination armament. We also wish to assure citizens that these kinds of reports are expected to emerge as part of a robust post-market surveillance system, and this should provide comfort that medical authorities keep a vigilant watch on a new product that is deployed into the market to ensure they remain safe and effective for human consumption. It is for this reason that we implemented the Sisonke protocol, and will also implement a similar post-market surveillance study for Pfizer when we roll out the first batch of doses to healthcare workers. I'm also glad to say, however, that there are good news in the midst of all this development. I'm happy to announce that we have also successfully negotiated another, that is additional 10 million doses from Pfizer. Of these, we expect just under 2 million to be delivered early in May. This therefore means that we have secured 30 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine for this financial year.